In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan multiple A3 or tabloid size documents on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.
If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe.
The flatbed scanner for this printer supports up to A3 or tabloid size media. And we will use the HP software to scan the A3 size documents over here, which consists of 2 pages. So let's load the page 1 onto the flatbed scanner. On our computer, start up the HP scan. So the item type is document. Now the page size, it has to be entire scan area. And for A3, the source have to be flatbed. We'll create a new scan shortcut. And we call it Scan A3 Documents. Let's create. The destination file type is PDF. Now if we go to More, we can actually select the destination that we want to save the scan document. So we have created the destination for scan documents. Let's scan. Page 1 of our A3 size document is scanned. To scan page 2, click on this icon over here, which is to add more pages. Let's place page 2 onto the flatbed scanner. Select Scan on the software. Page 2 is scanned. Let's take a look at our document. This is page 1 and this is page 2. Let's save. And this is the destination that we have set on our software. We'll call it A3 Documents. Let's take a look at the document. So this is our scan document, page 1 and page 2. So this is how you scan multiple A3 or tabloid size documents on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.